Hmm?
Sound good? You good?
Yeah. Y'all see my daughter over there working it out. This is us creating a arch on a strip, an arch strip. So we don't have an arch here right now, so we're trying to take the easy way out, y'all. Okay, take the quickest, fastest, easy way out.
Yeah, see that?
See? Yep.
Real good.
Oh, thank you all so
They got two chairs back here for them. You know the lion head don't want to stay up there. No.
Thank you. Hey, baby. Thank you. This is so nice.
Beautiful.
This is so nice.
Y'all sit right here. This way y'all sit.
Oh, give me a clip. Give me a clip. Yeah, that'll count. You said what? Yeah, who's that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.